1. 1969 Plymouth Barracuda convertible, $11,500, Santa Monica, California. This Barracuda is a classic open-top cruiser in its original bronze paint with a white vinyl top and a well-kept tan interior. Under the hood is a 1971 318 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. It has been garaged for 20 years and recently had several mechanical updates, including a new gas tank, radiator, water pump, and more. With just over 21,000 miles showing and a clean title, this convertible is a head-turning weekend driver. It is currently in planned non-operation status. Nat 2, 1978 Porsche 924 Coupe, $4,600, Port Orchard, Washington. This bright yellow 1978 Porsche 924 has been tucked away in a garage for 25 years and now needs a little love to bring it back to life. It runs and drives but needs a thorough cleaning and brake work. The body is clean and it was repainted in its original rally yellow back in 1991. With less than 50,000 miles, this entry-level Porsche could be a rewarding project for someone who wants to revive a vintage European coupe. $1967 to $14,500, Redding, California. Here's a solid and rust-free Dodge Coronet 440 equipped with a 318 cubic inch engine and automatic transmission. It runs and drives well and has a clean title. The odometer shows 62,875 miles but has rolled over. This muscle-era sedan is ready to hit the road and turn some heads. $1978 GMC High Sierra 2500, $3,500, Gig Harbor, Washington. This maroon GMC High Sierra 2500 is a rugged workhorse with classic appeal. It features a 350 small block V8 engine, manual 4-speed transmission with granny low gear, and brand new front tires. It lacks power steering but has front disc brakes and power brakes for safer driving. With a partially restored interior and a lean title in progress, it is ready to be enjoyed as a solid vintage truck. '65 1966 Ford Thunderbird, $12,000, Lake Havasu City, Arizona. This Ford Thunderbird has had extensive work done over the years, including a rebuilt engine and transmission in 2014 and a redone rear differential in 2023. It features fuel injection, power steering, power brakes, power driver's seat, air conditioning, and a modern stereo system. The paint is custom, and it includes the original owner's manual. With 140,000 miles rolled over, this T-Bird offers a smooth and stylish ride with lots of creature comforts. 6, 1964 Ford Thunderbird, $6,400, Vancouver, British Columbia. This Thunderbird comes with a strong running 390 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. It has 80,000 miles and is daily driven, although it needs a new heater core and gas gauge. It is a great starting point for someone looking for a dependable classic with good bones and a clean title. (1975) Dodge Van, $11,000, Blaine, Minnesota. This blue Dodge van is a camper's dream. It has a rebuilt 318 V8 engine, a custom insulated interior with a removable bed, and a great sound system powered by a deep cycle battery. The van includes many thoughtful additions like swivel captain's chairs, bug screens, LED lights, and more. It runs great and is ready for camping, cruising, or tailgating. (8) 1955 DeSoto Fireflite, $13,500, Pleasant Prairie, Wisconsin. This rare 1955 DeSoto Fireflite has a lot going for it, including a 291 Hemi engine that was rebuilt in 2000. The interior was redone 2 years ago, and the paint, although older, is still presentable. It runs and drives well and comes with Coker white wall tires. This black sedan has charm, character, and gets attention wherever it goes. (9) 1971 Ford LTD convertible, $7,500, Sonoma, California. This full-size 1971 Ford LTD convertible is powered by a 400 cubic inch V8 and runs well. It has a salvage title but could be a fun summer cruiser with some attention. It offers a classic American convertible experience at an affordable price. (1975 Chevrolet K5 Blazer Cheyenne, $13,000, Gig Harbor, Washington. This Blazer is a clean and solid four-wheel drive SUV with collector plates and original red paint. It comes with a 350 V8, automatic transmission, and air conditioning. The transmission is currently out, but a replacement transmission with transfer case and torque converter is included. Rust is present in typical areas, but the floor pans are solid and the body is straight. (11) 1962 Ford Falcon, $9,000, Redding, California. This four-door Falcon has a reliable straight-six engine and an automatic transmission. The odometer has rolled over, but it is a good runner. Many parts have been replaced or rebuilt, although it still needs a paint job and some finishing work inside. It is a dependable classic with a story and room for personalization. Twelve 1978 Avanti II, $14,900, Bellingham, Washington. This rare 1978 Avanti II is a unique fiberglass-bodied coupe originally inspired by Studebaker. It features a Chevrolet 350 engine and Corvette drivetrain. The car has 156,000 miles and is all original, down to the rally wheels. It starts, drives well. If you want something uncommon with vintage styling and dependable parts, this could be your next ride. (1966) Chevrolet Impala 4-door sedan, $9,900, Hudson, Wisconsin. Although the description cuts off, this Impala appears to be a well-maintained 4-door sedan with a clean title. The odometer has rolled over, and it is powered by a gas engine and automatic transmission. At under $10,000, it offers a lot of full-size classic Chevrolet for the money.